Welcome to the discovery of H. pylori's role in causing ulcers. Today you will be helping two leading researchers in this field on their quest to this discovery. Meet Dr. Robin Warren and his fellow scientist, Dr. Barry Marshall. He once gave himself ulcers by drinking H. pylori. Dr. Marshall and Dr. Warren both hypothesized that there is a link between the presence of H. pylori and the incidence of ulcers. They have observed that within the stomach of humans lives bacteria. They believe that if a specific kind of bacteria is present, H. pylori, then the person is more susceptible to developing ulcers. However, because human studies are very expensive, it's common to confirm your hypothesis first using an animal model. Therefore, before human studies can begin, it will be important for them to test their hypothesis in mice. Let's review what you learned last module. Remember, the hypothesis underlying these experiments is that H. pylori present in the stomach causes ulcers. Last time, you were tasked with creating an experimental outline. Here's what you came up with. For your experiments, H. pylori taken from humans with ulcers would be grown in the lab. These samples will become your experimental samples. For a control sample, you agreed to use harmless bacteria. Both samples would be implanted into two sets of mice, your experimental group and your control group. If the hypothesis is true, then we would expect the mice who receive the H. pylori to develop ulcers, while the control mice should show no effect of the harmless bacteria. Are you ready to start the experiment? Click here to start.